Alright, so welcome back to the channel. I know I didn't do the giveaway yet. I thought about it, and what I'm going to do is have my subscribers drop in the comments below hashtag enter me. That's how you're going to get entered into the giveaway, because I believe there's some dead accounts. I don't want to go through the hassle of if one of them gets chosen, then they don't respond, and then I have to choose another one if they don't respond. So my active subscribers, just drop in the comments of this video hashtag enter me. I'll put it right up here so you can see what it looks like. Put that in the comments and they'll automatically enter you into my giveaway. Here on November 29th I'll be doing the giveaway, so you have to be subscribed and put hashtag enter me into the comments of this video, so that'll enter you into the giveaway. Now today it is officially winter time. The snow's actually melted, but we had about a couple inches here last week, and the truck got completely trashed. It was just covered, so I just took it to the car wash, did a quick wash on it, and it cleaned up pretty good. It's no it won't be the hand wash rather, but we're getting ready to pull these wheels off and put the stock ones back on. Actually jump to whenever I have the first one off. Alright, so got one of the wheels on here, and you can see that the truck is sitting a little lopsided because this tire is actually taller than the fuel forge that I have. So that just looks so bad. There's no poke to it whatsoever. So I hate putting stock wheels back on, but it's a necessary evil, as they say. But so I need to put the hubcaps on. And I probably won't be driving it in the winter, hopefully, and I'm not going to take it to a storage place. It's probably just going to sit here, and I'll clean it up, make sure I'm not going to drive in the salt. It doesn't really bother me if it sits there in the snow, but just going to want to drive in the salt. But if anything happens and I absolutely necessarily have to drive it in the snow, then I have the stock wheels back on so I don't get the side of the truck plastered with the salt and all that stuff. And I just feel a lot better with these, especially in the wintertime, because they're on all terrain. But we're going to go ahead and finish up the other ones, and we'll get back to you. So just finished putting the stock wheels back on the truck, and it looks horrible, in my opinion. So it just looks like every other truck, except I have windows that are solid black. But this will be good for the wintertime. My exhaust tip sticks out way past the wheels, but it doesn't bother me too much. So it is what it is. Just gotta wait until winter's over and put the fuel forge back on. So here are the fuel forge that I just took off. They need a nice polish, but they're not that bad of shape. And then, so these are the fronts. Yep. So here's the fronts, or here's the back sides of the fronts. And then I believe this one. Yep, this one is the rear, from where I didn't change it out to a ceramic brake, so it's covered in brake dust. And then here's another one, just covered in brake dust. So those ceramic Accubono brakes I put on really did a number, keeping the brake dust down, but not too shabby. So kind of want to see what the rock lights look like with these wheels. It's probably going to be hilarious. Yeah, there we go. Look at those rock lights. So I know I didn't do a video on my rock lights, but they're actually the 8-pod from Custom Offsets, the black label lighting, and they are fantastic. I mean, they're extremely bright. As I'm driving down the road, they're easily out to here shining. So they really light things up. And then you can see under the back end of it because of the lights. I know in the video you can't really see, but at nighttime you sure can. But that about does it for the video. So if you want to get entered into the giveaway, go ahead and leave a comment in the bottom of this video saying hashtag enter me. I'll leave it right here again. And so enter that comment in the comments below, and you'll be entered into the drawing. On November 29th, I will be picking the winner at random, put it into a random generator, and it'll pick a winner for. They have to get in contact with me somehow by leaving either email or social media, something for me to get a hold of them in, your Instagram, and I'll get a hold of them and I'll get the stuff shipped right out. But yeah, so I figured it'd be easy this way instead of having to, if it for some reason I pick an inactive account and then I have to deal with that and waiting weeks until I pick a new one, and then I just don't want to go through all that. So this is just weeding out the inactive accounts. So if you're active and you're watching the videos, then you're entered in. Just hit hashtag enter me in the comments. I know I've been extremely busy at work too, so yeah, hopefully here soon I'll be able to get some more videos at work, and hopefully some more stuff on this before the winter completely hits, and then start working on my Jetta especially. And I also have to do something to my dirt bike. I have to rebuild the carb just a little bit. There's a little bit of sticking inside there, so rebuild that and be good to go. But until next time, see ya.